Tuscan red is a shade of red that was used on the passenger cars of the Pennsylvania Railroad, as well as on the PRR truck trailers. It also was used extensively by the New South Wales Government Railways in Australia in a similar fashion to the PRR. The Canadian Pacific Railway used it historically and painted its luxury revival cars in this color. It is also a Prismacolor colored pencil. The first recorded use of Tuscan red as a color name in English was in the early 1800s. The color was popular in the late 19th century but non-standardized. It became the signature color of the Pennsylvania Railroad, which instituted specifications for its formulation. Before the 1880s, pigments extracted from Brazil wood were used in its manufacture, but these proved inadequate in terms of hiding power and stability. A 1916 U.S. National Bureau of Standards circular describes it as based on Indian red, which derives its color from iron oxides. The color was then modified by treatment with an alizarin lake pigment. The pigment's stability lent itself to hard use in applications such as rail cars and machinery. Lower-cost imitations were made without iron oxides by using gypsum or whiting as a base and adding aniline dyes. Variations of Tuscan red. The traditional color Tuscan red is shown above. The lighter tones of Tuscan red tend toward tan and beige. The darker tones of Tuscan red tend toward purplish tones. These purplish tones of Tuscan red are exemplified by the color deep Tuscan red, shown below. Tuscan displayed at right is the color Tuscan. The first recorded use of Tuscan as a color name in English was in 1887. Tuscany. The color Tuscany is displayed at right. The first recorded use of Tuscany as a color name in English was in 1922. The source of this color is the Pantone Textile Paper Extended Color List, color number 161219 TPX. Tuscany. Tuscan tan displayed at right is the color Tuscan tan. The first recorded use of Tuscan tan as a color name in English was in 1926. Medium Tuscan red. Medium Tuscan red is that tone of Tuscan red that is called Tuscan red in the ISCCNBS color list. Tuscan brown displayed at right is the color Tuscan brown.